Hi guys, you're watching Brain Bulb. In this video, we're going to be dealing with mnemonics. Mnemonics is when you want to memorize a bunch of different things in a very specific order. For example, when you want to learn the elements in the periodic table, you use a mnemonic. You take the first alphabet of each of those elements, arrange them in an order, and give them comical words so that when you read them together, it is somewhat like a funny sentence, or it is some other sentence that has no connection to chemistry whatsoever, but it will help you to remember all of the elements in order perfectly. So we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do mnemonics in biology. So where do you think you can use? For example, when you want to learn the classification of certain organisms and you want to learn the biological names, or just simply the order in which the organisms are divided into different groups. Learning all of that, you will need to memorize the names of the groups that they're in. So to learn that, you can use mnemonics. In this video, I'll show you one such example, and I encourage that you try doing the same thing for different sets of organizations as well in biology. So let's get started. So let me show you an example. So we have the order of organization of animals and plants as follows. So we've got kingdom, phylum, class. So I'm just going to write only the first alphabet of each of those words. Okay, so we've got kingdom, phylum, class, order, then we've got family, genus, and species. Okay, so let me just write what they are for originally. So you've got kingdom, phylum. This might change for plants. It is division. So instead of phylum, it will be division in plants. So this is for animals. Okay, so we've got class, order, family, genus, and species. So I know this order, I'm studying this order, but I want to know if there is a better way to remember this order. So I'm going to take the first letter of each of these words like so. Then I'm going to give some other sentence in such a way that the first alphabet of those words in that sentence are also the same as this. So keep pots clean, or family gets sick. So if you see the first alphabet in all of these, it will give you the same as this one. So keep pots clean or family gets sick. Fairly easy to remember because you have some meaning in this sentence, even though it is slightly comical. But if you remember this sentence, you can derive these alphabets. And if you derive these alphabets, you can just as easily derive the order of these words that you have to remember. Sometimes it so happens that the words that you have over here, you won't be able to make a sentence. You need to add certain words like or, from, is, the. Those kind of words you can add in between. But when you add them in between, just remember that it does not stand for anything. It is only for you to remember that sentence. And there you have it. You will be able to make this relation thanks to mnemonics. And this is just one example. So that was fun, right? So you can build as many mnemonics as you want to. And this is fairly simple, especially when you're studying a lot of different things and it gets hard to memorize. Um, so if you've tried this method before, tell me in the comments below if it worked. And if you haven't tried this before, start right now, start building mnemonics and explore that entire range where you will be able to simplify whatever you study. If you want more mnemonics for different things, if you want to memorize other things using mnemonics in biology, do comment below and I'll try to get that done for you. If you have any other questions, if you have any other comments, um, they're all most welcome. I hope this was useful to you and we'll see you in another video. Bye.